Well, everybody, how y'all doing today? Well, we had a pretty good round of severe weather go through the state last night. Here in White County, about 10 o'clock last night, we got placed under a flash flood warning. Said there was some areas here in White County that was going to receive over 3 inches of rain in less than 2 hours. And we didn't get hit too bad over where we live at, but I'm out doing my walking this morning, and yeah, I think we got a little bit of rain. Check this out. This here's the walking path that I go down every morning. And over here is what's called Gin Creek. It kind of runs through the town, and it goes over to the Little Red River. But as you can see, it's kind of down now, but look at all the trees and stuff that's been washed over. As a matter of fact, there's a bunch of grass and stuff that grows along the side of the walk path here. Look here where it's laid all that over. As a matter of fact, the water got so high at one point it covered the road, and it even washed a bunch of debris onto this fence down through here. It's a lot of water. There's a little more evidence of some of that flash flooding that happened. Boy, just laid that old grass and stuff right over. This here's one of the bridges that goes over the walk path here. I'm going to show you what this thing normally looks like. That's what it normally looks like there all the time. This is what it looks like this morning. In fact, the water is up so high, this is the end of my walking. Yep, path is completely covered. That's the hayfield. That'll be a short walk this morning. Oh well, what the heck. Well, appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good one. Catch y'all next time around. Hell, I didn't know I was going to have to wear my damn hip waders to walk this morning.